Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. So I didn't do a very big grocery haul this week as I'm short on cash, but I did go to Aldi and I did get a couple of things. So I'm going to show you what I got at Aldi, and I did get a couple of items at Walmart. So let's get to it. All right, so I'm going to start with the keto friendly things, and then I will show you what else I did get at Aldi. I spent $80 at Aldi, which is kind of steep, but I had to get a couple of things that I was out of that are more on the expensive side. Like this right here, this avocado oil. I was completely out of avocado oil, and I use avocado oil all the time. This was $6.99, so on the more expensive side. So I got one thing of avocado oil, and I love these bottles. This glass bottle, you can repurpose this and use it as a vase when you're done. Yeah, I like that. So that celery, 89 cents. I still have a lot left over, but I wanted more, so got it. Always dig for them too, because on top they like to put the little tiny little bags. I'm getting it for 89 cents. I want the most. I love these things. If you haven't already seen them, they do have them at my Aldi. They're currently $1. I'm not sure. Sometimes they're different at everybody's places, but these, I mean, you guys, 15 grams of protein. If you're trying to get your protein in for the day, 15 grams of protein, no carbs. These are good. Shake them up. Give them a nice good shake before you drink it. And it's just like the flavored waters. I like these a lot. Might include one of these in a giveaway that I do soon. Got this cranberry flavored water. Now, this is by Fit and Active. And usually I've never seen this, so I don't know if this is new. Cranberry flavored water. It has 1 carb, and that is there's 3 servings per container. So if you drink this entire thing, which this is a lot, this is a liter, then that's 3 carbs. If you just have it here and there, maybe mix it with some vodka, just whatever, yeah. So I'm excited to try this. What's in here? What's this sweetened with? Sucralose. Okay. I got this at the last time I went, and I really like these. These were only 50 cents. These are sweetened with aspartame, and there's 0 carbs for the entire bottle. And they are very, very, they have a lot of flavor. Very comparable to those American ice drinks at Walmart. Totally in love with the specially selected ranches that they have. Last time I was there, they did not have this one. They had last time I was there, I got the buffalo wing ranch, which I've been enjoying. This is really good. And they had the roasted garlic. I've not opened or tried this one yet, but these were like only $1.50, $1.60. And I'm really liking them. So I'd seen this new flavor, 3 cheese ranch, so I picked that up. I got some whole pepperoncinis because I want to make a roast, 1 carb for $7. When I make the roast, I'm probably just going to throw this in with some of the powdered ranch seasoning. Needed some heavy whipping cream. These were only $1.55, which is a really good deal. All know heavy whipping cream is pretty expensive. I don't know how much these were. They were under $2. I got this nice chuck roast. I really like Aldi meats, you guys. They've really stepped up their game in the past few years. This was $9 for this entire thing. $9. This is a nice thick piece of meat. Not sure if I'm going to be making that Mississippi pot roast tonight or tomorrow. I really, really would like to make it tonight. I'll have to take a vote from the kids. Got some more of these pork sausage patties. I really like using these as like just a snack here and there. These are 1 carb per patty. They do pack a punch in fat, 19 grams of fat if you're looking to get your fats in, only 6 grams of protein. They are pretty good. Got this sliced Polish ham. This for 2 slices is 1 carb. Not very much comes in here, but I really wanted to make like a cheese sandwich that I seen Keto Jinx made. And she had like meat inside, cheese, and like the crust was made of cheese. So it looked really delicious. It has, I think she had lettuce in it. I'm not sure. Either way, I wanted to make it. And this looks delicious. So I got that. And again, I don't remember how much that was. I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm horrible at the prices today. Picked up a head of broccoli. Under $2. Can't remember what it was. Got some pork chops. Reese wanted some pork chops. Not sure how I want to make these. These were $5.37. Usually their pork chops are pretty cheap. Got 2 packs of pepperoni. I got original and I got turkey. If you're okay with having a carb, then turkey's the way to go if you want lower fat. But if you don't want any carbs and you don't care about the fat, go with original. And y'all, I've never had any goat cheese. So they had this. This was $1.99. And it, garlic and herb. It sounded really good. I just wanted to try it. I think it's like 1 carb. Yeah, 1 carb. There's 4 servings in this, 1 ounce. So I'm definitely going to try this. I'm just curious. Everybody's always like, oh my God, have you ever had goat cheese? No, I haven't. So now I'm going to. And then I seen Keto Twisted Gypsy get the cold brew coffee packs from Aldi. Now she said hers was like $1.99. Mine must not have been on sale. It was $3.99. Sucks, but whatever. So there's 4 packs in here. And I still think that that's cheaper than if I were to go get it at Walmart or any of the other grocery stores. So 4 packs makes 2 pitchers. So this makes 2 pitchers. I'm excited. I'll give this a try. So that is what I got from Aldi. Now I went to Walmart and we wanted to start feeding birds. Didn't have a lot of money. This was only 92 cents. We wanted to get a bird feeder, but we'll wait a couple more weeks. I don't know what this is. It's like some weird sunflower tree. We want to just have some pretty birds. Got that. I got this muscle milk because I want to mix it in with like my coffee in the morning or something. I'm not sure. This is 2 net carbs per drink. I know a lot of people use those Premier Proteins, but those were like $8. This was like $5. So then I got these pair of shorts. They were $6. I thought they were just kind of cute. I don't know. And then this shirt was like does it have the price on it? Like $2.98 or $2.60 something. Either way, it's just a plain blue shirt. It was like $2, $2 something. Non-keto items. They had cosmic brownies, $1.99 at Aldi. Got those for the kids. Got these little peanut butter creamy things so they can dip some celery and stuff in it. They were out of ketchup. Unfortunately, Aldi does not carry sugar-free. They needed some more jelly, can of ravioli. Reese wanted some honey to put on his sandwiches. The grapes are on sale right now for 89 cents. Milk, $1.20. Frosted Flakes were $1.39. 2 things of bread, 89 cents. And then they got a watermelon. And then also at Walmart, here and see this. We really like getting these flowers. Look at how pretty. This is a daisy. This grill is broken. It's basically just a holder of plants. The rain got too much water in these. So I'm not sure what's gonna grow here. We put a bunch of seeds in here and I don't know, but we also planted a tulip, which it's since all of its stuff has fallen off. But yeah, this is a mystery bulb and mystery seedlings. We'll see what happens. Dexter. This guy, it's been raining so much. I don't know, he might need to go back into the sun more. Maybe that's why he's looking a little droopy. And then this is how the strawberry guy is doing. Got some flowers on him now. This weird hanging pieces. The strawberries, only 2 that were there are molded. Nothing in there. I feel like he needs more sun. No. And then we have our daffodil that got too much water last night. It doesn't have holes in the bottom of this. And then this pink, I don't know how you say that. The flower part has died and fallen apart. But we moved these guys over here because it was storming so bad last night.